Let's go here as the Micronesia flies. The Federated States of Micronesia is located in the Micronesia region of Oceania, which, despite having the same name as the country, also includes Palau, Guam, Marshall Islands, Northern Marianas, and Nauru. The country has 4 states: Yap in the west, Chuuk in the center, Pohnpei in the east, and Kosrae in the far east. The capital is Palikir, a small town in Pohnpei. Each of the states has a small airport. The entire country has over 600 islands, and the word Micronesia means small islands. Most Micronesians speak English, but each of the 4 states has a widely spoken native language: Kosraean, Yapese, Pohnpeian, and Chuukese. Several other islands have their own languages, such as Ulithian. Micronesia has many cultural traditions. The vast majority of the population is Christian, either Catholic or Protestant. One tradition is the use of giant stones from Palau as money on the island of Yap. Breadfruit, coconuts, bananas, and other types of fruit are common in Micronesian food, as are taro and chicken. The flag of Micronesia is light blue with 4 white stars in a diamond pattern. The light blue background is for the Pacific Ocean, and the 4 stars represent the 4 states that make up the country. Fishing and farming are important to the economy in Micronesia, though much farming is subsistence farming. The country also receives grants from the USA from a Compact of Free Association agreement. Micronesia has some tourism, though not as much as other Pacific islands, likely because of how hard it is to get to. Micronesia used to be part of the USA in the Trust Territory of the Pacific Islands, and along with the Marshall Islands signed the Compact of Free Association after independence, which includes the USA giving grants to Micronesia and allows Micronesians to work and live freely within the USA. Micronesia is culturally most similar to neighboring countries such as Marshall Islands and Palau. Micronesia is a tropical country located just north of the equator. Most area not used by humans is lush and dense tropical forest. The country gets a lot of rainfall, which helps to grow the forests. There are some beaches, although less than many other Pacific Ocean countries. The highest point is Mount Nanaloud, which has cloud forests on Pohnpei, the largest island in the country. There are many coral reefs in Micronesia as well. Micronesia has flying foxes, as well as reptiles such as lizards and newly discovered native blind snakes. It also has birds, including the national bird, the Pohnpei lorikeet, as well as kingfishers, doves, noddies, fantails, herons, ducks, the endangered Chuuk monarch, shorebirds, white-eyes, tropic birds, swiftlets, mesomellas, terns, munias, reed warblers, and others. The lush and wet forest habitat is a good environment for many species. So, in conclusion, Micronesia is a beautiful and biodiverse country with multiple unique cultures. Stay tuned, St. Vincent and the Grenadines is coming up next.